Hello. So I thought I would do a video about van security, given that Ford Transits are the most stolen van in the UK. The lock that they are fitted with from factory is pretty poor. There's a lockpick that exists that will just pop your van right open, and it costs about 20 quid on Amazon. I did a little search myself and it's right there. And so there's a thing I got from Garrison Locks, and it's a Hykee lock replacement. It's a whole new cylinder, pull the old one out, put the new one in, and I also bought a bezel guard that stops a potential thief just drilling the lock right out. Here's the walkthrough. So here's the factory fitted lock that I'm about to change, and the inside of the door panel, which is filthy. I'm assuming it hasn't been taken off in the 12 years that this van has existed. So online says this job is a simple 15 minutes, but we'll soon find out. So I've removed the thing that holds the barrel in. I'll zoom you in. Can't really see much in there, but it actually goes around there. So you see now there's a bit of light. It took some jimmying, but we have the old lockout. So we actually bought a bezel guard thing, basically stops people drilling out this. So I've cleaned around here because basically it sticks on. And then we will be doing. So I'm going to give it a crack. Not good. So this was actually a massive pain to get back in. There was like a pin in that you had to push in, and at the same time line it up and slot it in. They made it seem easier than it was. Now I'm just testing the locks. Lock. Unlock. Fobworks. Keys. They're a bit fiddly, so luckily we just used the fob. Unlock? No, you have to do it twice, don't you? No, that's not. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. And then the other key. Lock. Yeah. Unlock. Fabulous! Now we just got to put that panel back on. So there you have it. It's pretty simple on paper, although the guides say it takes about 15 minutes. It actually took me about an hour because it was so fiddly getting the old one out and then the new one in. But simple enough, and it's done, so it's a bit more peace of mind. So additional to that, we have locks on the inside that are just standard like gate locks and things for when we're in there. And we also, if the van is parked, it has a steering wheel lock on at all times. We could get out the van for a minute and I will put the steering wheel lock on, because you never know those people that just jump in, off they go. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.